Good morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start unit 11 profit and loss, which is at page number 137 of our book. Let's start the chapter with an example. Ravi is a shopkeeper and he purchased these two things from wholesale market. A tiffin box purchased at rupees 35 and a cricket bat purchased at rupees 115. And at his shop, he sold the tiffin box due to some defect in it at rupees 30 and a cricket bat at rupees 130. Now, the tiffin box was purchased at rupees 35 but sold at rupees 30. Cricket bat was purchased at rupees 115 but sold at rupees 130. So here two new terms are being introduced. The price, the rate at which something is purchased, that price is called cost price. And the price at which something is sold, that price is called selling price. Okay, the price at which we purchase something, that is called its cost price, and the price at which we sell something, that is called its selling price. And the cost price can be written as capital C dot capital P dot CP, and selling price is written as SP. Okay, here we have two situations: when cost price is greater than the selling price, or when selling price is greater than the cost price. So the first situation is if selling price of anything SP is greater than the cost price, then we have a profit or gain. Both are same, profit or gain. For example, in case of a cricket bat, when the selling price is 130 and cost price is 115, the selling price is more than the cost price, so shopkeeper have a profit. And the formula for finding profit is selling price minus cost price. Okay. And the second condition is if cost price is more than the selling price, greater than the selling price, then we have a loss. And the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price. Okay. And in case if both prices are same, then it is a condition of no profit, no loss. Okay. Now with these two formulas of profit and loss, let's start worksheet 1, which is at page number 139 of our book. The first question is complete the following table. Cost price is given, selling price is given, we need to find profit or loss. First of all, we will check that whether there is profit or loss. For example, in A part, cost price is 545 and selling price is 630. So tell me which one is greater? Yes, selling price is greater than the cost price, so we have a profit. And the formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. 630 minus 545, this is rupees 85. As we have profit, so we will put a dash in the column of loss. Okay, C part of the question is cost price is 146, selling price 135. As cost price is greater than selling price, so we have loss. And for loss, the formula is cost price minus selling price. So in column of loss, we will write rupees 146 minus 135, it's rupees 11, and put a dash in column of profit. E part is cost price is 25.00 means 25 rupees. Selling price is 23.50. Is selling price greater or cost price greater? Yes, cost price greater. So again it's a case of loss, and to find the loss we will subtract cost price minus selling price. 25.00 minus 23.50. When I subtract, the answer will be 1.50. Okay, this question you will do in your book only, and remaining part you will do on your phone. Now question number 2 is solve the following questions. If cost price of a book is rupees 50.50 and selling price is rupees 65, find the profit or loss. Question is so simple. We just have to write cost price means CP of book, which is given 50.50. Selling price of book is rupees 65. After this step we just have to check. We have to observe that which price is greater. Now tell me, which price is greater, selling or cost? Yes, selling price. So what will we write? Here we will write, here selling price is greater than cost price, so we have a profit. Then the formula for profit we know, selling price minus cost price means rupees 65 minus 50.50. We can check by subtraction to get the answer, which is rupees 14.50. Okay, come to its B part. If cost price of a doll is rupees 195 and selling price is rupees this, find the profit or loss. We can observe by seeing, if I purchase something at this cost and sold the same thing at this, what I have? Definitely it will be loss, as selling price is less than cost price. So what will I write? Cost price of doll, selling price of doll. Then here cost price is greater than selling price, so we have a loss, and the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price means 195 minus 181.50, and when I'll subtract I'll get the answer rupees 13.50. Don't forget to write rupees after this step. Okay, the next part is the cost price of a pen is rupees 19 and the selling price is rupees 24. Is there a gain or loss? How much? So simply the cost price of a thing is given, selling price of a thing is given. So what will be here? Again means a profit or loss. So if selling price is greater than the cost price, then what we have? Yes, profit. Okay, and the formula for profit we know. So this question we will do on our own. Come to the next. The cost price of a washing machine is rupees 12,450. If the selling price is 12,075, what is the gain or loss? This question also you can compare the cost price and selling price and then find the gain or loss. So with these two questions which you will do on your own, we have completed now worksheet 1. Your homework is complete and revise worksheet 1 of unit 11. Thank you.